How are you? I hope you are fine. So, today we discuss our world, our environment. Everything around us make us our environment. The soil we build house on and grow our crops, and air, breathe, water bodies, hills, forests, all constitute our abiotic or non-living environment. Non-living environment means water, air, soil, hills. Water is suppose river. So these contains are this environment. Our environment influence our life and lifestyle. However, we too have sufficient significant influence on our environment. Early man lived in harmony with his environment. He lived in simple house and eat food he gathered and hunted or crops he grew. With the advance in technology, man had grown means to satisfy his ever-growing needs. The earth is capable of support a clean and healthy life with painful resource for the limited human population. Human population pressure to know now stretching his limits, is across his limits. Number of people in our world showed that people are depressed. These contents water, air, soil, hills, etc. Deforestation. Man has exploited the forest and many useful gifts like wood, rubber, etc. He has also cleaned huge forests for burning in more land under the cultivation. The land that was once green with tree in known use of setting, industries, building, residential complex, etc. The loss of green cover and severely harm the environment. Transportation release water vapor from the leaves of tree and cutting down the trees upset the water cycle in nature. Forests bring rain and help purify the air. Climatic change and prove the harm caused by deforestation. Deforestation also lead the soil erosion. Without the roots of tree holding on the topsoil and gets washed away with the flowing water. Hunting. It is the second time. Man does not need to hunt wild animals for food anymore. Meat is now provided by the livestock and poultry raised in our farm. Reared in our farm. However, wild animals continue to be hunted for their fur or other body part simply for short. Air pollution. The contamination of air with the smoke, poisonous gas or dust is known as known as air pollution. Thermal power plants increase industrialization and the exhaust release the vehicles pump in smoke, soot and poisonous gas into the atmosphere. This directly cause harm to the health of all living beings, and humans being breathe the polluted air cause the respiratory disease and even cancer. So we learn this chapter, depression, hunting and air pollution. Today we learn these three types of point: depression, hunting and air pollution. Okay, next class I discuss the next items. So namaskar.